Yeah. The next one is, it's Hindi basically thinks in pattern. Okay, not word by word translation. Okay, the more phrases you hear, the more phrases you will use on a day-to-day basis. Your mind will sort of move away from like translating it word by word. It helps, don't get me wrong, it helps when you translate it, but the sooner you move away from that, it will help your journey much better. Right? Um, so Hindi is very good, adamant about that also. That once you start using or seeing the phrase as it is, it'll make it much easier, right? I mean, so that way, so some examples would be, now I have understood. अब मुझे समझ में आया. Okay? And same thing, मुझे भूख लग रही है versus मुझे प्यास लग रही है. Okay? और मुझे नींद आ रही है. If you were to just hear it as it is, which is मुझे नींद आ रही है, मुझे भूख लग रही है. Okay? मुझे थकान लग रही है. You will get used to this pattern itself. Okay, that it means I am hungry, or I'm falling sleepy. Okay, or I'm getting tired. And you will notice that a lot of these sentences are just following this structure, which is you have mujhe, and then lag raha hai, lag rahi hai. In between, you have a bhook, which is hunger, neend, which is sleep, or thakan, which is tired, right? So don't translate it will, okay, you will be able to do it in a lot of the cases, but don't translate these words by words. Okay. So the more pattern you will notice, the more pattern you will know, it'll be much easier. Then it will become part of your sort of, just like how you will speak your own native language.